Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the tutorial on opening Google Docs from Canvas and working on those Google Docs in your Google Drive, then submitting it back into Canvas so I will be able to see it. Okay, so there's this activity that we'll start with as our example for the tutorial, the non-Mendelian genetics graphic organizer. Now, there's an article you need to read before you even get to the graphic organizer, but you're going to want to go to Newsela, you're going to want to log in using your Google account, and then you're going to want to read this article on the types of non-Mendelian genetics. Now, this is going to give you a little bit more straightforward information that will be super helpful for this graphic organizer, but you can also use your notes from the lecture that we did last week on complex inheritance, which is also known as non-Mendelian genetics. Now, for this activity, what you're going to do is this. You're going to open up the non-Mendelian genetics graphic organizer. Now, that's going to take you to my Google Doc, which looks like this. Now, you want to open it up in Google Docs if it asks you to do that, just like you're seeing on my screen. And you'll notice that this is the activity. Now, you're not going to be able to type in this because I only give you viewing abilities. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make a copy. And then what I would recommend doing right here, instead of having copy of non-Mendelian genetics graphic organizer doc, I would just highlight the copy of and then just save yourself a step and put your name, which mine is Stephen dot Gorgoni, first name dot last name colon, and then you have the rest of this activity name already in there, so you don't have to retype it. Click OK. Now that is going to be the document that you're going to be able to edit and work on. So once that comes back up, it has my name on it. I should have editing privileges in it. Now you're going to read the article in Newsela, which is going to help you with information as to what to type in. So I've given you the example here of what I'm looking for in terms of what is the explanation for this type of or pattern of inheritance. And then here I've given you another example of what type of examples I'm looking for in Mendelian or complete dominance inheritance. You have to fill in the rest. So you're going to be typing in all your information here. Whatever that information is, obviously don't do that. Now when you're done with this entire table, this whole graphic organizer, you then need to be able to share it with me. But don't just share it with me. I need you to upload it into Canvas. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up here, when you're done of course, and you're going to click share. And you don't have to type anything in. You're going to get a shareable link right there. And then you're going to see a bunch of letters and numbers web address. You just copy that link like I did right there. Then you go back to your Canvas page and you'll actually have a submit assignment button up here. I can't preview what you're going to see, so you're only seeing what I actually see on my teacher screen. You'll have a submit assignment button here, and then once you click that, it will open up this box where you basically just paste that copied link from here. You don't have to retype it, you just copy it and then you paste it into that URL box, in that submission box, and then you submit. You click done, and I will then get a notification that you've submitted the assignment. I then go into my SpeedGrader here, and that will take me right to your Google Drive, right to the assignment so I can see it. Okay? If you guys have any questions, please email me. Okay? I'll be looking forward to seeing how you do with this. Thanks, guys.